Hi, family. How are you all doing? I would love for every one of you to be fine and safe in this insane world. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to separate married locks as well as how to retwist without a lock gel. The thing is, I don't like the build up I get after retwisting using a gel, and I know I wet my hair almost every day. Therefore, there is no point in retwisting with a gel. The major reason why I retwist is to just keep it separated, and I don't want it to just look married and all that. So yeah. The first thing I did was to wet my hair. This time around I am wetting it with warm water. I believe this would make separation easier for me, and I was right. The next step is to separate the married locks as gently as possible and place the strands in the right lock. After separating the married locks, go ahead and retwist your hair. I honestly can't see the back of my head right now, and I am only trusting my intuition to do this for me. If the strand is acting stubborn, or that is, if you are finding it hard to separate your married locks, all you need to do is add more moisture, this time around more water, then try again. Please be patient with your hair. Don't try to drag it, don't try to be too hasty if you are doing this yourself, so be patient. After spraying your hair with water, you have to massage it a bit to just like get the water and the moisture in there before trying to do anything. The last step is to go ahead and sew the hair in the direction you would normally retwist. Go in with any hair clip of your choice and secure the strand you just retwisted. I need to work on my clip placement. I know it's so wrong and I can see it right now that it's not correct, but I need to work on it. You must have also noticed the inconsistency in my uploads, and I want you guys to know I am not doing this on purpose. I am not taking you guys for granted. I am not taking this channel for granted. I got into a program called ALX. It's a program for software engineers, and I am trying to find my foot in this new field since I am a complete noob. The program requires 70 hours of my time per week, and I use almost 24 hours trying to understand the concepts because I don't even know what they are talking about sometimes. So please bear with me, be patient with me, and wish me luck. Pray for me, guys. I really need your prayers. I am also back at school because the 8-month strike was called off some weeks ago. I just need to complete this phase of my life with school and this program and all the things I have going on in my life right now. And yeah, that's all I've been doing so far, and this is like it. I wanted to talk about the locks as well as the things that have been happening in my life with you guys. So yeah, just be patient with me. I'll try as much as possible to find a balance between internship, school, and my channel. I'll figure it all out, and I promise to come back to being consistent with my uploads and all that. I love you guys. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now. Kisses. Love ya.